Cabañero on the break all the way for the first 2 points of the Philippines.
Aggressive defense.
Cabañero. Calyare swings it. Carino spots up for 3. That's good.
Wow.
Calyare has some space and he knocks down the triple.
I just mentioned him a while ago.
Away by Cabañero. And the easiest 2 points of the game so far. Quick hands. Cholo Pascual all the way for 2. And then back to the Philippines. Calyare finds Carino for the deuce.
And just not a good idea.
And they will slow things down. No, they don't. They go inside. And another takeaway. And another basket.
And Thailand's got to sell it.
And another assist. G floater. That drops.
Specialty. I've played with this kid in open runs, and his floater.
For Thailand, Tanchi ahead of the pack. And
Yes,
scores.
sir.
They go. Second try. It drops for Cruz.
And what a show.
Thailand keeps possession. This time they give the ball away. Tanchi
Nice
has
pass.
teammates. De Los Reyes gets the lay-in. 31-0. It's a 36-1 scoreline right now, and finally something dropping. Their first field goal in this match. Get a stop on the past couple of possessions. So the conversion that they've been waiting for. Bothering that shot.
Good defense without fouling there for Antolin.
Two-man game. Cabañero back to him from Calyare.
Great. Whoa.
Oh, what a shot for Cholo Pascual. 40 points now for Gilas Youth. A lay-in for David. And they're now with a double.
Challenging. Our shot blocker there, and Cabañero continues to carve up that defense.
Play at defensive side. And another steal. Cabañero on the break goes up for 2 as no challenge there for the Thai defender.
Of course, maintaining pass.
Left wing 3.
Yes, sir. Nice pass there.
And the finish. Some signs of life here. Ananda Yeager with fresh 14 to work with. All day, and Nick Ford. Willeroj has some space and he knocks down the 3. Down low. One-hander drops for Antolin.
And that quick pass to the dunker spot.
3-pointer off the glass and in. For Corcao Culapat.
For the Philippines, no need for that. And David turns it over again.
No, he was looking ahead, but Cruz was ready for the takeaway and the finish. He also played baseball back then, right?
These guys are so well-rounded, multiple sports. A nice pass there by Ethan. Nice pass again.
Ooh, all the way. With terms of the points scored, it's really been a better past 2 quarters for Thailand. Oh, nice fake. And a floater that drops for Cao Culapat. Miranda for 2.
Finally getting an easy layup.
Misses. De Los Reyes with the putback.
And how fun is it to shoot those wide open shots knowing that...
And Gilas was taking too many risks. Yun ang sinabi ng kanilang coaching staff, especially as they were running the break more, and now they're instructed to...
Carino seeing more action and getting more points. A go-ahead pass to Travis Pascual for 2.
And again, the running game.
Corner 3 is good. That was Ananda Yeager with Carino with a fake pass. Goes inside.
Wow.
What a move. Incredible footwork for the big man. Moves on to college as we see him again score 2 points. Will he be able to play the wing as well, just like how Tamayo adjusts again to Carino? Short. De Los Reyes with a cleanup. It looks like some more players are set to check in. Justin Halyare and si Lumag waiting in the wings. They want Carino to score, and he does so.
And
Gilas Youth on their way to their second win of the tournament, as Cruz all net on that shot.
that's the full display.
Although I think baka may mga changes na rin sa names, diba? Nag-iiba
Right.
kasi yung names ng tournaments, technically yung age limit and whatnot. But it stands for sure as Philippines will get their second win of the FIBA Under-16 Asia Cup Siaba qualifiers. 87-42 over Thailand.